Hello viewers, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. New PC build from Be Quiet, exclusive all the parts. Many thanks to Be Quiet for sending me these products, more to come, so don't miss the final video of the Be Quiet PC build. Full Tower Dark Base Pro 901 on a black color, available and on a white. Already opened the box, accessories included, and inside the box. With manual, tempered glass side window allowing a superb view of the PC component, all the case made from steel, ABS plastic and aluminium. To remove the front panel, unscrew one screw here and one screw here, and then pull. Let's remove this box with the accessories. I like the case for the screws. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. eATX cable management cover, VGA holder for inverted layout, VGA holder, adjusted with these screws, two screws. ODD bracket, Velcro ties for cable management, screw sleeves for fans on front fan bracket with 4 M5 screws for the front fans, 6 screws for ODD bracket, and many other screws here like for the power supply unit, standoff for motherboard, wrench for motherboard standoff, 11 screws for motherboard and 24 screws for ODD and SSD. That all included at the box, and you can have all the screws at this beautiful plastic case. Dark base, Be Quiet. That's how you know when you are buying a premium product. You have all these accessories included at the box. I don't mean the screws. Screws are in any case. More about the covers, VGA, for the motherboard, ODD and more. ARGB lighting here at the case. To remove this cover, just press here and you can remove the cover. We can see here the connection for the ARGB. Pull and remove the cover. Here at the case, at the bottom, we have 4 silicone rubbers. Steel fits, I like that, very durable. And of course it is NMS at the bottom to keep away any air particles. Inside here we have the power supply area, soft pads, 4 each corner. You can install the larger power supply you can find in the market and install at this case. Inside we have huge dimensions, Ensure operation of E80X motherboards and radiators up to 420 mm. Already installed, we have a cable management cover for the motherboard. If you want, you can remove the main board tray. We have 8 PCI brackets, removable. At the back we have one of the 3 140 mm silent wings for PWM fans. And you can install at the rear 140 or 120 mm. The same, and at the front another 2 140 mm fans. At the front you can install 3 140 or 3 120 mm fans. And here at the front we have this board, 3 fan connections, and with one cable connect at the motherboard. Here at the front of the box you can remove this cover, and you can install this one, airflow cover for the power supply. I think that is better. Here we can see 2 drive bays for 3.5 inch HDD, and you can install 7 total, another 5 here. Just press here and remove. And of course, if you want, you have the option to install one 5.25 inch. At the back it is the side panel with mesh. Again, remove 2 screws and pull. Insulation for the noise, very thick insulation, I like that. And here how it looks at the back, plenty space. Around we have ventilation, and at the front, I like it. Definitely you can fit any hardware. The 3.5 mm bay for your HDD, remove 1 screw, and there it is. Install your hard drive inside. Cable management here and here and here. The rear fan connection. And here we have all the connections. Now let's see one by one what we have. USB ports at the front, 4, so we need 2 cables. Connect that at the motherboard. The Type-C. HD audio cable. For front I/O, SATA cable, and for wireless charging. Yes, correct, it has a wireless charging. I will show you later. Fan connection. The cable for the power and the LED. And for the ARGB. That was all. And we can see how it looks at the back. Here you can remove the cover and install from the back the power supply unit. And at the front we have the on-off button, touch buttons for the fan controller and the ARGB controller. One USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 4 USB 3.2, HD audio, mic and audio. I like that it has the touch control. And of course it has a backlight. And here at the top it has the wireless charging to wireless charge your smartphone and any wireless charging compatible device. Here at the top we have the mesh panel. Just pull and remove the mesh panel. And you can remove these 2 covers, silent panel with insulation, the top fan radiator bracket with 4 screws, you can remove that. And at the top you can install radiator 120, 240 or 360. And you can install 3 140mm or 120mm fans. Remove that. But before removing, there is one cable you need to remove. I will show you why. Here you can install all your fans. We have this connection, you can see that 4 pins are coming in contact here. There it is, and there's the cable you need to connect at the bottom. So you don't need to remove the cable. And of course you can remove the front cover, just pull, remove, insulation again here. Here we have these 3 contact metal are coming in contact here, because at the front it has this LED line. I like it. And of course you can remove this mesh. 2 clips here, just pull and remove. And of course you can remove the front panel for the radiator and the fans. With these 2 screws you can remove and install your radiator or the fans. And here it has these metal contact plates are coming in contact here, and you don't need any cables. You can install 120, 140, 240, 280, 360 and 420 radiator. All the types of radiators. And of course you can install 3 140 or 120mm fans. And here at the bottom of the case, pull to remove the huge mesh. And it is very easy to install again. Let's remove the cover at the front. You can see how it looks, the touch buttons. And here we have some accessories. This plastic cover and this fan radiator bracket for multi-mounting panel. And this mesh panel for the front. It is metal. Now at the front panel, if you don't want to use only this plastic and have better airflow for cooling your hardware, you can remove this plastic with the insulation and install this mesh. How you can do that? Well, it's very easy. You have these plastics here, just press 4 plastics and then I'm sure you can remove that. There it is. Remove it. I think that is aluminium. It feels like aluminium. It is very easy to install. Just press and it will lock. I think I will use this mesh for better airflow. But before installing, let me say you that you can install in this 5.25 CD DVD drive here. Remove this mesh, magnetic mesh, 1 screw here and 1 screw here. Remove this metal bracket, install the 5.25 CD DVD bay, and then you need to remove this plastic. There's the hole for your CD DVD drive. Nice, I like it. I'm not going to use CD DVD drive. I don't remember the last time that I have used a CD or DVD, so it is useless for me. And then install the cover. So easy. Nice. With a light wing fangs, definitely it will look better. And of course the water cooling. A PC case from Be Quiet with plenty of space for a demand user who needs to install many PC parts. Well built with many accessories included. Don't miss the final video of my PC build with all the Be Quiet hardware. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. Have a good day!